To get rain effect, you can just come to this pixels.com website and select videos and search for rain effect. And here you will find a bunch of different rain effects. You can download any of them for your video. Now go to your CapCut and add your main video clip in your timeline. And above your main video clip, you have to add the rain effect just like this. And now select the rain effect clip and go to video. Under basic, click on blend and blend mode, select screen. And now you can adjust opacity of your rain just like this. And now let's play our timeline and see the result. So we can see the rain speed is too much. So to adjust rain speed according to your video, select the rain clip and select speed. And now from here you can increase your rain speed, or you can just make your rain speed a little bit slow. And now let's see our final result. And here we have the rain effect. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.